got a fire. Alright guys, I got a fire going. Alright guys, check that out. Got a fire going. Even in the rain. Yeah, that one's there to stay till I let it out. There you go guys, got a good fire going in my hobo stove now. I don't think there's nothing stopping it. So I did end up using that flint steel, and this is the fire steel that I won at the Southern Kentucky meetup that Dave Mize made. There you go. So great little piece of steel right there. Okay, I'm gonna let that die down. So, got some water here in an Nalgene bottle. My Stanley cup. Got some tea for later, some sugar. And I'm going to get my ramen noodles out. I thought about adding that chicken, but I think I'm just gonna save that for another day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have some ramen noodles. Chicken flavor. Alright, 2 cups of water. I think I'm going to go a little less than that. I think I'll go 12 ounces. Alright, I think that's good enough. Get that on there. Wait for it to boil. Add some more wood. Get that ready. Alright, I'll bring you back. think the rain pretty much stopped for now. I don't know if it's going to rain again today or not, but I mean, see that? It was raining pretty good when I first came out here. Got the fire going really good. Shouldn't have any problem getting a boil here shortly. Still got enough water for some tea. Hopefully enough wood for some tea. Okay guys, I think I can hear the water boil. There it is. See that? Time for some ramen noodles. I'll let that simmer for a little bit. You know, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get a fire started. I honestly wasn't sure, but got it. So, gonna be eating good here in just a little bit. I'll let that simmer just for a little bit longer and then going to eat it. Alright guys, I think it's finished. Got a nice boil going, simmer going. Oh yeah. Nice and hot for a cold, damp day. You know, one of the things on my list to do was to come out here and outside and when it's raining, come out here and just enjoy the outdoors while it's raining, and just hang out, start a fire, and do just what I'm doing right now. It's been something I've been wanting to do for a while, and it just hadn't rained for a long time, and so this afternoon I had the perfect opportunity to do it. think high today is about 49 or so. Low 38 tonight. Days are getting colder, which means more fun for me because I like this kind of weather. Cooler weather's what I like. So anyways, gonna relax here for a little bit. So, rain pretty much stopped. I can see some blue sky a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna rain more or not, or if it's finished, but I think I'm gonna have some tea. It's still a little warm, but I really don't feel like starting another fire. So I think I'm going to use my little stove. Just check the weather on my phone. It's 44 degrees out here. It's a little chilly. It's supposed to get down to 37 tonight. This is some of my favorite tea that I always keep going back and getting. Hot tea. And Carolina Chris, I need one of those hammock camp cup holders that you showed on one of your videos. That'd work really good right now. I'm sure most of you have seen Carolina Chris's channel. Most of you that watch his stuff watch my stuff as well. Carolina Chris Outdoors is his channel name. Also, talking about that guy that gave that knife, Robert, go check out his channel too, at Bluegrass Bushcraft. I can put their links down there in the description box. I can put their links down there and you can go check them out. Well, I think I'm going to finish up this tea, relax a little bit, and then I'm going to put my things away and get back inside. Alright guys, I think I'll wrap up this video. Had a good time out here, but I'm gonna put my things away and head on back into the house. It's been a great afternoon out here. Anyways, thanks for watching.